G'day lovebirds, I'm Gazza. Welcome to Marry Us Gary. Today we are talking about my best friend's COVID wedding, a guest etiquette handbook. Now these steps will help you get through your friend's COVID wedding. If you haven't been out of the house for a while, you don't want to be there looking like a peanut. So follow these steps and we'll look after you. Step number 1, get registered. There'll be a QR code there for you on the day, so make sure you use it. Number 2, get involved. Be that guest there with the hand sanitizer, greeting guests and getting them to sign in, and you'll be elbow tapping like it's the chicken dance. Tip number 3, read the details on the wedding website or the info email that was sent out to you. This just will give you the restrictions for the venue itself and just so you know what's going on the day. Tip number 4, sit or stand with members of the same household. During the ceremony, don't get too close to anyone unless you are sitting with people that you live with. Number 5, bring your own tissues. If you're prone to a teary eye during a ceremony, please bring your own tissues. Less sharing equals less risk. Tip number 6, don't stand in front of the live stream. The couple have family overseas who can't make it on the day and they've set up a camera, so please don't stand in front of it and block the ceremony. And also remember that the microphone is on, so don't be swearing so Nana can hear it in the UK. Number 7, congratulating the newlyweds. Now the celebrant should mention at the start of the ceremony how the couple want to be congratulated, whether that is verbally, fist bumps, high fives, whatever they feel comfortable with. But at the end of the day, just do whatever you feel comfortable with, and if you're feeling uneasy, keep your distance. Number 8, no sharing of drinks, food, or ciggies. You shouldn't double dip the chip, you shouldn't have been doing it before, and you definitely shouldn't be doing it now. And if you do get into the celebrations and you start swinging from the champagne bottle, well, consider that bottle yours. And number 9, ease up turbo. Don't ask the band to play their instrument. Enough said. Number 10, dancing. Now the rules are changing, but if you didn't make the cut for the dance floor, you make sure you're attentive in that chair and you get some chair dancing going on. The time warp is a perfect one for you. Tip number 11, if you're feeling uneasy about the whole situation, stay home. It's better that you stay home rather than coming out and not enjoying yourself and be worried the whole time. And often the couple may be looking for an excuse to lower the numbers on the guest list, so you might be doing them a favor. But be sure to send them a heartfelt card or a gift if you can't make it on the day. And finally, decide on your own boundaries. Do whatever you feel comfortable with, and please respect others. You are there to celebrate the love, so enjoy the day as safe as possible. That's it from me. Any questions or banter, sling them in the comments below, and be sure to spread the love, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more juicy wedding tips.